Pot stocks roll, and Bitcoin up in smoke today. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Update. Today's update is brought to you by the CTG Group, one of our partners in brokerage for futures and commodities. We do have other brokers, but we do prefer CTG. They're the only ones allowed to use our letter of direction trading. They've got some great managed futures products, and they're just terrific people. So, a great customer service. What can I say? In the meantime, early this morning, the pot stocks were exploding. A stock like Tilray was up over $20. CGC was going crazy, and Bitcoin down about 2,500 today. But we've just had a monster rally, and you can compare that to the grain markets. The grains are getting hammered today. 14 for corn and wheat, and about 30 something for soybeans. They're not going to go straight up. I think if you remember and learn to understand that markets do not go straight up, and there is going to be some profit taking, there is going to be some pullbacks. This is what you're seeing. I'm not concerned as of yet. You look at the meats. I mean, you've got cattle slightly lower and hogs almost up the limit. So, look, don't try to outsmart, outguess, or outthink it. You just watch what's going on. In the meantime, the equities are down, but they've made a dramatic recovery from being much higher to being much lower to now. The Dow goes back and forth between positive and negative. The S&P is only down about 8 or 9. The NASDAQ, which was up 100, down 100 and something, is not down about 50. And the Russell is down about 100. So, look, we're long across the board. That has not changed. We did not get caught in the panic of what was going on. This is the way markets trade, especially as they get a little bit thinner. Okay, so we're still long. We stay long. And, of course, the metals. Silver is a little lower, gold's a little higher. Unfortunately, we're on the wrong side of both. We're long gold and short silver. Short gold, long silver. There you go. That's better. In the meantime, again, there's so much near unchanged, it doesn't matter. But the interesting story of the day is platinum got out to about a 6.5-year high now as it got over 1,200 and looks like it wants to take off again. So, again, there's no reason to believe that won't continue to be farther. Crude oil has been on both sides of unchanged. It's a little bit higher at the moment. That gas a little bit lower. Copper is higher once again. Defies odds. Fortunately, we got re-long it again yesterday. But, look, at the end of the day, markets are markets. Bonds and notes are a little bit higher. Dollars a little bit lower. You're going to see this kind of trade, and eventually they will find the path of least resistance and then start to trend in one direction or the other. And the softs, earlier cotton was a little bit lower, which we are long. OJ was flat, which we are short. Coffee was a little bit down, which we are long. Sugar was down, we are long, and cocoa was flat, we are short. Okay, but again, I really choose not to look intraday, during the day about those positions because they're not going to change, and there's no reason to get irritated. I'm playing the trend, I'm playing mechanical, and that's the best I can do. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at the Tradier. I mean, again, and we do have other brokers. I got to give you disclosure, but in the meantime, Tradier is $10 a month. That's the biggest point. But their customer service is great. We have their API, so we're now automating. If you choose, you don't have to. That is up to you. But you have the ability, if you choose to use our programs and automate. And of course, they're giving free option class. The next class is on Friday. It'll be option session 5 at 5 Eastern time. And of course, our great partners at Family Farms. Again, this is why we like to educate the farmers, because just like days like today, we're prepared, and we always have the upside open, but never give up the downside. And our commodity report, written by Andy Hecht, look, it's been a dramatic success. Everybody loves it. Who's got it? If you want to check out last week's edition, you can send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. You can check it out. But, if you'd like just to go ahead and take advantage of it, go to technomental.com go to bubbaTrading.com and go to Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That is patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, Have a great day, everybody, and let's see what happens. The afternoon could bring us anything. Who knows? We'll see you later and see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.